I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 41 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. This year is marching on. And our prompts for this week is a portion of a photo. I've got this. This is one of those Tim Holtz photos. Something found underwater. I've got this little illustration. A border or a frame. I've got this. Something that grows. I've got this coral and seaweed. Something you can drink from. I've got these glasses. And the bonus is a dictionary page. And I've got a dictionary page. So let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I can't complain. I've been marching right along. I'm just going to tear down some of this dictionary page just so that get rid of a little bit of that green there. My next Margarete Miller book, I probably need to keep it a little bit more neutral. I just put in a bunch of pages. I'm just gonna go with that. I'll do a little bit of inking around the edges. Well, we got through our first season of Haven, and it's really getting good. And in fact, we've got one or two episodes into the second season. I've enjoyed it. Very creepy. And you see all these little nods to Stephen King, because it's based on one of his books, The Colorado Kid. Now, I'm not a huge Stephen King fan. I like his books. I don't like him particularly. He kind of way he was during his political views that kind of bothered me. But we can all disagree on that. But I got it upside down. But he is a storyteller, that's for sure. And this has been a great show. I've enjoyed it a lot. Okay, now I think what I'm gonna do is lay this out so I can figure out where I'm gonna put everything. Now this is my biggest image, so I figured I would kind of put him something like that and let him just kind of go over the page like that. And I've got my, bring him down just a tad. And I've got my coral. That's too big. Or my seaweed. That's my something that grows. I think I'm going to let that be my tuck spot. I can add this over here. And let's see. I've got my photo. And I can add my frame. It's a portion of a photo. And I think they need some drinks. So I think that's pretty much how I'm going to lay it out. I've already inked everything. And I will start getting this down. And the Mary Burton book I've been reading is good. Let me see what the, not terrible remembering names. Let's see here. Cover your eyes. And so far it's been pretty good. I am almost halfway through it. Something's definitely going on. Oh, so much I want to watch and read, and I want to, I haven't got to watch George Gently in a while, and I like that. It's just, it's not enough hours in the day. Oh, I glued the whole thing down, didn't I? That's me, that's for sure. My mind hadn't been right here lately. Let's see. I'll work it out. Add in my things that grow, my seaweed. I have really enjoyed these challenges. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. She doesn't do the collages though, which I find is a little bit odd. But she has some very good things, you know. She has lots of good tips and such. Add this. Glue back down my shark fin. I have to see what I can do about. I think I'm just gonna, it's a partial, maybe something like that. I want the date. Maybe something like that. And I can tuck my prompts in behind. Books won't know. So maybe I can get my prompts in there. Yeah. And we will add our drinks. And there we go. I have got my portion of a photo, something found underwater, border or frame, something that grows, something you can drink from, and my dictionary page. So we're all covered. I really don't know. Get that corner there. Well, y'all, I think I'm going to call that done. This is extremely short and sweet. I may do just a little bit of splatters. on my glue. And I think we'll be done. This one kind of just came together real easily. I love those faces. Well, all right then. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, this was really, really short, but it's done and I like it. So I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. Y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.